uncovered a CIA declassified document about telepathy. The United States government thought that they could tap into this form of communication by using human biocommunication at a distance experiments. This document from the 70s detailed how the United States government were using scientists and trying to tap into this ability to use telepathy. They were having issues like the constraints that were coming from our mind, from the scientists and also the subjects. In the West, we don't believe in telepathy. We don't believe in gifts. So testing on our people, it's hard because if you don't believe that they exist, you're not going to test into it unless you're predisposed due to your DNA. However, according to the document, finally they had hope for two different reasons that they discovered according to other experiments. The first thing that made them super excited, they found out that no matter how much shielding you used against electromagnetic frequencies, wave, there is no way to shield yourself from them. In fact, they refer to the brain as a mental radio. And also it says right here, there is no shielding that can reduce or eliminate the biocommunication event that is happening between individuals. Also at the time, they found that they couldn't directly communicate with anyone. There was no sender or director. Instead, it was like your brain was synchronizing with the other frequencies that were currently happening. See, the CIA document hypothesizes that we naturally tap into the Earth's electromagnetic waves and transfer thoughts, and that we actually sync with one another's brains that way. They even said about 10% or less of the human population naturally has this ability, untrained, to produce the positive results of being able to pick up on this telepathy. And in the USSR, you can see down here, they actually were doing telepathic hypnosis. So what do you think? First off, do you think you're naturally part of that 10% that can pick up on these waves? And then also, we know that psychics work with the government and they also have devices that can replicate telepathy.